So this is a follow-up video to the leather honey. This is the jacket that we treated last week. It's been rolled up in my closet. It feels good. It's dry. You're not going to get anything on you. It doesn't need to be wiped off. It feels good. So, we got a cold front. I'm not going to be riding for a few days. So I'm going to hit it again. And then I got my pants. I'm going to hit the pants. And we'll talk about that when we get to it. So first things first, let's hit the jacket again. The stuff went in the bag so I can use it again. That way the rag's still kind of soaked. Maybe I won't need as much this time. It's been a couple days since I treated this last time. Well, a couple years. It's been abused. These are my Vanson Sport Rider pants, and they're perforated as well because I live in Texas. These went through the same 2 crashes as that one. So you can see here I slid on my ass, and there's a little bitty hole right there. Got a little hot, had to shift to the other cheek. My knee went down. I didn't sustain any skin loss. Let's put it that way. These are just as dry and abused as the jacket was, so they're gonna get a good soak. And then we're gonna roll them up and we'll treat them again. So there's a pretty good before and after. So there's the pants. There's the jacket. So we'll let that soak in for a couple days. And then we'll check them again, see how soft they are. Hopefully this weather will break and we'll be able to go for a ride. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.